Good morning, everyone. We are in the kitchen slash catch-all this morning. I hope everybody's staying safe out there. So we've made a lot of changes to the kitchen, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that we did and something that we're going to be working on today. Okay, so one of the things that we've done is we have insulated this side, which is considered the dining room. This is where we sit and eat. So we have put we put 3 inches of fiberglass with a 1 inch, I don't even know what you call it, the Pink Panther board. So all together we have 4 inches in here because we have this AC and it wasn't doing much good. It was not cooling it down in here. So we've insulated this whole side, and on the kitchen side so far, we only have the 1 inch Pink Panther board. That's what I'm gonna call it because I don't know what it's called. So we still need to add the fiberglass to the other side. That's why we have this blanket up to keep the heat over there from when I'm cooking and just from the day, and it keeps it nice and cool on this side. Okay, so we also added a door. We got to thinking that if I was cooking something and something caught on fire, we don't have a back way out. So we still have to put a latch and a handle and everything on it, but we added this door here. We still have to attach the insulation to it. So we added this door for emergency get out. But yeah, we still have to finish that. We have to glue this insulation on, and then the door still gets an inner layer of wood. We added a roof vent right here. We added this roof vent. The problem is we don't get much wind here, so it's never spinning and it's never sucking the hot air out. So I don't know if it's actually working or not. We have our racks here. These are my fall planting seed starts. And then we have a bunch of the canned stuff that I've made for the spring, which I will show in a later video. We have a desk set up for Mikey for his schooling. He is homeschooled and he will stay homeschooled. It's not just because of the sickness going around. Okay, so let me show you the kitchen side. Through our makeshift door of a blanket, I put this island here. It's just a makeshift island. That's actually my hatcher underneath there with a piece of plywood and a towel. I put that there for making the video on canning the pears, because I can't really do a video of cooking or anything if I'm standing at the stove and I have my back to the camera over there. So yeah, we have a makeshift island here, which I've kind of got attached to, so I'm thinking we might add something real. But you got to remember, this is just a temporary kitchen. I mean, it could be temporary for 10 years, but I think that's all that we've really changed in here. You can see the insulation up on this roof. We have not done the walls yet because that's going to eliminate all my shelf space. So yeah, those are the changes that we've made in the kitchen. Now I want to show you what we're going to be working on today. So we had some lumber laying around and we cut it up to fit between the center 2x4 and the top 2x4, which is up behind my shelf here, my bookshelf. So we cut them, you know, just to the length. They're probably 12-13 inches wide. And we put a few on here just to see what it would look like, because I didn't really want to leave the walls with the pink insulation, and we actually really like the looks of it. I still have to come back. These aren't even screwed in. We just set them in there to try it. I need to sand them. We need to screw them in. But today we're going to go down to the sawmill. We've got 3 small logs that we're going to use for this. These are 1/2 inch boards. So we're gonna slab those logs into 1/2-inch planks, and then we'll square them up on the table saw and all that, and we'll put them up. So that's the plan for today. All right, guys, we're down here at the mill. We've got the 3 logs here, one sitting on there already, and then these 2 over here. We're going to cant them up and then slab them into 1/2-inch slabs to put on that kitchen wall. Well, there we go, guys. That was a lot of work. It doesn't seem like it, but with this humidity out here, it is really hot. So this is what we've got. There's quite a few planks there, so hopefully we'll get at least one wall done, maybe. I don't know if they're long enough for the bottom half of the wall. If not, then we'll be able to get both sides of the kitchen done, just the top half of the wall, and then we'll have to get a longer log for the bottoms, which, if you can see behind me, we've got plenty of logs. All right, guys, we appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you ring the notification bell, you'll get notified every time we put a video out. And leave us a comment. Until next time, guys, stay safe.